Hello, Mr. Guest here, and today we're doing a double reaction. I mean, like, the other way, not with two people, because I'm not talking to myself. So today we're reacting to Skibidi Vengeance 8 in part 1, if I have. I don't know if I've already reacted to it. And also the State diss track, so. Oh my god, I'm gonna get so cancelled if there's swear words in it. Honestly, I don't care. I had to react to swear words with TV Daddy because he likes it when I swear. Stupid art, my foot is stuck. Okay, Astro Base number 5. You got that from Dom Studio. Like, apparently, Opila from Dom Studio. No, it's from Gartner Band, bro. Oh, I love this music. It's my favourite music. What does this say? Message from King Apex. Sorry for the Titans being glitched. Enjoy the show. I won't. I mean, I will. Unless it's a speaker time, isn't it? Let's see my quality. Let's get advanced 1000. Let's go. Oh! He's glowing. Oh yeah, he's glitched. Oh! Okay, bye guys. I'm kidding. Well, yeah, but it will still keep going on. That's because oh no! Don't fight with me! Don't fight with me! I said look it! Thank you! Thank you, TV Titan. My favourite one in this series now. Well, besides Mr. Guest Toilet. TV Titan, you're the best ever. Thank you for shutting him up. Yeah, it's going to the ground. Okay, I must be blind or something because I did not see this. That's G-Man. Hi, G-Man. Oh, he's going to aim his weapons at speaker time. Thank you, G-Man. Here we go. G-Man, kill him! Kill him! G-Man, kill him! Kill him! No, not TV Titan, speaker Titan! I think this is a bit much, King Apex. Yeah. Oh my god. You're a coward. I can see it in your non-existent eyes. I feel like King Apex's speak out will be the first one to make me swear, bloody hell. What is he doing? I know this was doing glitching, but this was just moonwalking. Titan TV, man. G-Man is on our side now. Oh.
You better be on our side.
What was that? Bro. G-Man just wanted to do the take it off. Take it off! Bro, steak. Jump scare. Oh, he's live. Yeah, kill him. Oh, I thought there was talk about speed. Leave him alone. Just push him off the map. Really? Are you kidding me, King Apex? I was getting ready for a fight and you do that? Damn. You really know how to get on my nerves. Okay, I hate it. How this... Okay, now that I just turned my light on, I mean. So, how are we gonna get out of this? Aha, I'm super duper smart. Okay, time to react to my worst enemy of all. Swear words. Ranking every YouTuber diss track. So there is two. There is cancelled for Speed McQueen, and there is Animal Control. So if you want me to react to Animal Control, then comment. But for now, I'm just gonna react to this one.
Unbelievable! McQueen is fading!
Yes, I'm racist.
What race do you hate most?
Honestly, this is against a British person, but honestly, I'm on America's side right here.
Bro, whatever your name is.
I mean, you all look the same.
Oh my god, why? Okay, I never knew Speed McQueen was this racist, bro.
I can go.
What the hell? What are you doing? Look at his face, bro. Even I can see the British in him, and I am British, and I'm insulting a British because he's British, but like, what the British is this? Where's his nose? Oh, it's there.
Much longer.
His camera's very bad.
Yo,
I can't see him. Whoa! Kill him. Yeah. I'm guessing this is Pat God. Oh, he's got a speaker there. He'd be sick. I'm not gonna look down there. Oh, this is I love this outfit. It doesn't feel like it. Don't point at me. I might be British, but I'm not the bad British. Wait, who's this? Is this? Hold on, I'm trying to think. No, it won't be him. Honestly, I'm pretty sure it's one of those roasters who roast the spicy guy. But there's two. There's the cat and then there's the dog. Pretty sure it's the dog. I like the dog better. Well, there's Riff. That's the other one. But then there's the dog. Already? You're already swearing, Steak. Oh my god. Whoa! Okay, second swear word. Third swear word. Fourth swear word. Fifth swear word. Sixth swear word. I think I've just gone off count. 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12. Whoa. Exactly, thank you. We called him out. Hey! I bet Aisha Speed watches this and thinks it's about him. And he just hit me with a hammer. Okay. Goodbye, guys. Oh my god, 9 minutes long. Anyways, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.